Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today we're going to make fridge magnets with UV resin, and right now I'm putting glitter with resin in the mold. Then I'm going to spread it out evenly and I'm going to cure for 1 to 2 minutes. And guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So right now I'm going to get the daisy flower. It's dried flower, and then I'm going to put UV resin, and I'm going again to spread it evenly. Then I'm going to light it with lighter, so there we make sure that there are no bubbles, and we are going to cure for 1 to 2 minutes more. And I'm going to share something with you as we have some time here. Today I made few more magnets, fridge magnets, and what I realized that you have to have uh, actual color in the UV resin. For example, what I'm doing now, that's perfect, because when you glue the magnet on this side at the bottom, it's going to stay really nice. I'm going to show you the final result. But when it's clear color, then to be honest, I don't think it looks so it looks good. At the end of this video I'm going to show you what I'm talking about, and you can see the difference between this magnet and the rest of what I did, and you understand what I'm talking about. Right now I did pour one more layer of UV resin just to make it evenly, and yes, I'm going to cure again for a few minutes more. Guys, please subscribe to my channel as you help me a lot, and if you like the video, please give it a like. Thank you. Here is the final result. Fridge magnet looks so cute. And here we have this one, which is with clear core, and you can see actually the magnet on the back. And let me know in the comments what you think. Do you like it and which one you prefer? And yes, thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, and yes, thank you guys. Bye bye.